Does your amp have a crackling sound when you adjust the volume? Well, this video will be for you. Here I have a Roland amplifier. It's a DAC-50D, and it's having this issue with the volume controls, and there's some other pots there that give a crackling sound. I just took it off and I was playing around with the different knobs, and if you move them fast, sometimes you can hear a crackling sound. This is due because the pots can get some oxidation, so the contacts are not very good. So you can move them really quickly and you can hear a little bit of distortion. To fix this problem, it's actually quite easy. You just first take apart the amp that you have and then take out the circuitry so we can access the pots. And you can see the pots at the very bottom, and there's actually a little opening at the very bottom of the pot, and we will be putting some isopropyl alcohol. These pots are 50 kiloohms, so we'll be using some isopropyl alcohol and a needle, putting some in and just put them in that little opening on the pots. And rubbing alcohol will evaporate, but it has a little bit of liquid there, so that when you put it in, you're going to be twisting the pots really fast, and this will make sure that the oxidation on those pads inside will become cleaner. And here we go. After it's a nice, clean, crisp sound when you adjust the volume. Listen to that very fluid sound. Amazing. Doesn't matter the speed that you turn it, all sounds the same. Just adjusting them all, just making sure everything's good. Amazing machine. You can fix your amp just using some isopropyl alcohol. That's for now. You know what to do. Like and subscribe.